Before you begin, make sure to wear the proper protective equipment. Check the ink lights to confirm which colors need to be refilled. Remove the ink bottle from its packaging. Then shake it as shown. Hold the bottle upright and slowly turn the bottle cap to remove it. With a firm grip on the ink bottle, use a tool to punch a hole in the seal. Then remove the seal. Remove the cap on the corresponding ink tank. Refill the ink tank. Reinstall the cap. Repeat this process for any other color that needs to be refilled.